Hello, welcome back to the Berdu channel. Have you ever seen a website design like this? Or like this? Looks interesting, right? Especially if the background image has a parallax effect. Well, in Berdu, you can also create website designs with effects like this. It's super easy. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the Berdu channel, click the like button below, and turn on the notification bell as well. First, from your website's dashboard in Berdu, go to Layout. You can create this in the main page of the website or in custom pages. Select the page you want to edit and click Edit. Here, I have prepared a page with this text section as the title. Now, we will make this text section more visually pleasing interesting by changing the background and adding a parallax effect. We just need to go to the settings in the text section. Go to Container Settings. In this container section, you can change the background of this text, not just with images, but also with colors, gradients, and patterns. You can explore the settings here if you want, but for now, we will focus on the image background. In Berdu, several stock images are provided, so you just need to search if you want to use stock images from Berdu. But if you want to utilize your own image, just click Upload and then select the image you want to use. To adjust the height of this image, you can do it by sliding the padding space slider here. The size changes, right? If you want to adjust the bottom and top space differently, you can change the padding top and bottom to different first. Now there are two separate padding space sliders instead of one. Adjust each of the padding spaces to your preference. But if you prefer the top and bottom padding to be equal, set the type back to same and adjust the padding space as needed. Next, to enable the parallax effect, just check the parallax setting here. So with this parallax effect, it will create a scrolling effect with different speeds from other content when scrolling up or down, creating a unique depth impression. You can adjust the parallax speed by sliding the parallax speed slider here. The bigger the number, the faster the movement. Next, we can adjust the blurriness of this image. Just tweak the blur slider here. Then you can also adjust the brightness. Please adjust to your taste or depending on the theme of your website. Once you've finished, click Done, and don't forget to save the page. Let's try to view the page. We can see here the parallax effect appears when scrolling. Additionally, you can also change the background not only in the text section, it can also be in other sections that have container options. Alright, we hope this video is helpful, and feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. Like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the Berdu channel for more tutorial videos. Also, don't forget to follow Berdu's social media accounts for more interesting content. See you!